this is some of my finest work right here. It's a croissant French toast with caramelized apples. Cup of sugar into a pan, dry.
All right.
Like that. All right, stir this around, all right, for a couple minutes. All right, and the sugar is going to begin to caramelize. Don't take any phone calls right now. All focus on the caramel.
Yeah.
Okay, and then start to stir it around. Okay, see that?
Yes.
And you want to dissolve the sugar evenly. All right, so we got some good butter here, right? So we'll take the butter, just kind of chop this up in pieces. Probably 2 or 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna fold this into the caramel at this point. Okay. And it's gonna foam up a little bit.
Yeah.
Not a big deal. So would you hand me the rest of the stuff? Okay, just be really careful with this stuff. I mean, if you've ever had a caramel burn, I'm telling you, it's really, really hot stuff. All right, so with this particular thing, I would prescribe some caution. All right, there we go. One more. There we go. We're ready for the apples. All right, we're just gonna put the apples into the caramel sauce like that. All right, away from you, in case anything splashes. Okay. Okay, we're gonna stir the caramel into the apples. Now, like I said before, the apples are cold, right?
Yeah.
And the caramel's hot, so it's gonna look like it's starting to lock up, but don't worry about it, don't freak out. Just leave the heat on, the caramel will smooth back out again, and once it starts to coat the apples, and the apples start to warm up,
The apples will release some juice too?
well, yeah, the whole thing's gonna make this really gorgeous sauce. Okay, so while it's cooking, we'll go ahead and start our eggs. All right, so we got a bowl here. 6 eggs, half a cup of milk. Take a whisk, and smooth it out like that. Crack the yolks, give it a good stir. All right, and then we have some freshly ground cinnamon. When you make your French toast, do you use cinnamon? in
Yes,
your
I
eggs?
do.
Nice touch. All right, and then we got a little shot of vanilla in there as well. A little shot like that, give it some taste.
Okay.
Okay, give it a stir. Okay, so we got our batter ready to go. All right, Joanne, check this out. Aren't these beautiful?
Oh, they certainly are.
Yeah, they're really lush. So, and then we add just a little bit of maple syrup to this too.
All right.
And notice the texture. Okay, some are cooked, some are still kind of firm.
Right.
And I think it's what you want. It really looks homemade. It looks nice, right? All right, cool. So we'll keep these warm. Coming through. Put that right there. Okay, boom. Got our saute pan. Okay, we've got a little bit of whole butter. Are you ready to make those?
I'm ready.
Okay. When this melts and gets slightly foamy, all right, it's time to start cooking. All right. So basically the idea, let's put the croissant right down the middle. Okay. Judge it like that. And judge it like that. On both sides, the whole thing is coated. And not too long, all right? If you soak it, it might fall apart.
Right.
All right, boom, just like that.
Okay.
Croissant French toast, baby. All right, then you flip one side over like that. See how it's starting to grow?
Oh,
How beautiful?
yeah.
Lush, right? And you just wilt the other side. Easy, easy. Okay, got a plate ready to go? Boom, up. Okay, so we got our croissant, our warm caramelized apples. Right? Right on top, just like that. This is incredible bed and breakfast food, or anywhere kind of food, really, as far as that goes. Okay, let me take top part of the croissant, which is nice and crispy. Okay, that's gonna go just like that. I kind of like to just kind of kick it off the side just a little bit so you can see the stuff inside. Exactly right. And then put a little more apples, so right up in front, like that, kind of spilling out. And who wouldn't love a big sticky plate of that, huh? I ask you.
That is beautiful.
Is that beautiful?
Looks delicious.